And welcome back to my channel, Live Love Crochet. So I haven't made a video for quite a while. I've been working on quite a few projects, so some have taken a little bit more time than others. So this is the sneak peek for today for my next tutorial. This is a boy's cardigan. We've got front post and back post double crochet in this pattern. We've also got double crochet. So there's a little pattern on the back. We've got single crochet ribbon on the bottom. Also on the buttons, instead of having straight buttons this time, buttonholes, sorry, I've gone with a little pattern, a little swirly pattern. I don't know what you call it. So yeah, I think that looks pretty nice, like if the cardigan was to be worn open. The collar, double crochet, front post double crochet and back post double crochet, which is simple. The front is lower down than the back, so that is how it's meant to be. So if you would like to make this with me, you can either just look out for my video, or you could press the bell and be notified when I upload my tutorials. It's totally up to you. So that is it for today's video, and I will see you in my next. Bye.